Here's a classic old Chrysler, and a big one at that. Imperial LeBaron 4-door hardtop. Underneath the hood, of course, 440 V8. That is paired with a 3-speed torque plate automatic transmission. The front ends of these just get me every time I see one, just that big imposing front end. No headlights with the doors closed. So this car has had a repaint. I believe, judging by the data tag, would have originally been a white car, white interior. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Works good. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this, the engine bay, the interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember our phone number. You can always call that to 507-386-1726.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Now, we'll start it up here in a little bit, and I'll pop those headlight doors open so you can see it too. Those do work. As far as the paint on this, like I said, it has had a repaint. It is a little older repaint. There's some spots where you can see some checking up here. It does show its age some. There's a few nicks, chips, scratches. So I want to make you aware of that. And we'll fire it up so you can hear it run too. Like I said, in a little bit, we'll pop those light doors open. Also some dings kind of in these doors along the sides, and I have this in the pictures as good as I can too. You can still see, there's a luster to the paint. See the wall behind me. So it's not terrible, but there are quite a few, weather checks, some aging, nick, scratch, ding here and there. Gonna have that. There is also a little rusting down below the vinyl top, and there's some more on the other side. I want to make sure you're aware of that. That's in the pictures also. Interior, white leather, bent seat up front. Interior appears to be original and in nice shape. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's pics of the trunk, spares back there. Trunk is also nice and tidy, nice shape. Underneath the hood, very stock looking. Take a look up and down the driver's side of this also. I want to show you just kind of got some rust spots again back here. This side, still a few dings on it, not quite as bad as the passenger side, but there's a few up here to be aware of. And then there was one scratch I noticed down lower here. So, but if you're looking for a big old classic that you just don't see every day, here it is again. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. All right, check out the rear seats, very nice shape. Grab handles each side. Let's go ahead and check out this front seat. Just show a little wear, a few of the buttons here. Very plush seat. Think of this car when it was brand new, rolling off the showroom floor. In '72, wow, would have been a big, luxurious automobile. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up. That 440 running. Now I did notice I did play around with the wipers. Wipers worked fine. I had the antenna, it does have a power antenna. Had the power antenna going up and down. For the climate control, or auto temp 2 here. AC did blow cold. Did not have the radio working, FYI. There is a water temp gauge underneath here. A little aftermarket one. Odometer reads, 58,829, but I can't confirm if that's accurate. Can't confirm or deny it, actually. It does not stay on the title after a car is so old, so Does not stay with the title. All right, get her warmed up here a little bit. I'm gonna step back, let you take a look at it. Like I said, we'll check out that engine bay. Oh, I know the other thing I wanted to do. I'm gonna pop those lights on, see them come on up there, and we'll check out the front of it. A little rumble coming out of that 440. I believe the Eagle was added to the side marker light back in 72. And a cool side marker light. All right, let's come up here. Check out these lights now that they're open. Look at that. Boom. There's your headlights. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop this big old hood. Check out that engine bay. Take a look at the engine bay. There's also a picture of the data tag info there that'll be in with our still pictures, as well as all the pictures under the hood like this right here. So 440, again, paired to that TorqueFlex 727 3-speed automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC car. And again, AC does blow cold in this one. So there you go. You're looking for a classic that won't break the bank, drive it the way it is, have a little fun with it, or maybe take it to the next level. 1972 Chrysler Imperial LeBaron 4-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it, it's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.